Hi everyone, here's another project share. So here I've created 3 mini albums using one kit, which are the planes, trains, and cars, and I think boats. I don't know the title. It was the kit that I did use before from my stash, and I wanted to use all of it, so I created 3 albums. Again, I am using the seam binding method, and the album does measure at 6 1/8 by 6 1/8. That is the base of the album. So I was able to go ahead and cut 6 by 6 for the pages from the designer pages. So from a 12 by 12, you can create 4 albums on there. But like I said, I had made a previous album on one of them, so that's why I only have 3 albums that I created with the remaining. So here I have this little tuck-in thing here that you can put a picture and then insert it back in here, or you can even title it or stamp the person's name or the year, whichever. And these are just really cute. Again, you can add some tassels in here if you want. Just, anything that you think would look cute on here. And so here we go. So the first 2 pages, on the left side here, I made a pocket so I can have these tags that I created as well. There was only a few pages, so a lot of the stuff I had to use my own cardstock, and a lot of these are from Stampin' Up! Cardstock. And then some of the chipboard embellishments here. And as you can see, I just backed these up to make it like little tuck-ins on the papers. And it's a flip album, so you can add more pictures in here again. So you can see that. So that is really basically what I've been doing, is making these really simple flip pages so you can incorporate lots of baby pictures, or, pictures for the young boys. So here, and this one flips up, sorry, so you could see that. So this is how it looks. So you just flip it up. And then again, you can go and insert some more things on here, tuck in here. As well as this side here, you can do it this way. They all fit 4 by 6 pictures, so it's no problem incorporating those pictures in here. So this is what I used. They had the airplane one. That's what I used to cut it, and I just backed it up with some cardstock. So that's why, or matted, as you could say. And here again. And this one says boat, and this one says planes and trains. I just punch some stars. Like I said, it's all about scrapping. So keep all your scraps to create any little things, photo corners, to make it all like it came as if it was a complete set. And just use what you have on hand. So it's the same repetition of pages, flips and flops here. So you flip this way, you flop that way, and there's just corner edges on the side here, photo corners. And then again, you can tuck some more pictures on here if you like, as well as here. So make as many as you can. So that's what I'll be doing. I'll be making some more cards as well with the scraps that I have left over. And then again, I did use my die cut on this one from Stampin' Up! It's just the envelope. So they can put little, things in here like receipts or just little gadgets they want to put in here. In this pocket, some more journaling tags. So it's a really simple album, but as you can see, there's 5 pages, including the front and back. It'll be 10 pages for you to, decorate and add pictures. You can insert more pictures if you want. So this is the first one. Like I said, I made 3 of these. And then here's the second one. Again, you're able to go ahead and put a picture in there. You can put this in there and know what size of picture, or you know, you can put a journaling statement on here. Same seam binding technique for all of them. Again, another mini album. And some more tags. So you can make as many as you please, because it's just same thing, but just all the colors and little tuck-ins make such a difference. Like I said, you can keep adding on to your pages as well. More tuck-ins here. Sometimes I do leave the pages blank because I don't need to embellish it too much, because the pattern already has enough design on there, so I don't need to add on. But if they're like solid papers like these, I like to add little tuck-ins and give it a little pop with photo corners, and like I said, some stars. The punch, I think I use my Stampin' Up! Punch for this one for the little stars, and then I think it's a Recollection punch for the bigger stars. I just have, let me just show you. So this is the medium star that I have. And this is the small star that's Stampin' Up! Here. And what did I do with the larger star? I can't locate it. Let me see. Oh, here it is. So yeah, it's Recollection. So you have 3 different sizes. This is 1 3/8 inch, which is perfect, and this one is 2 3/8. I don't know what size this is, but they're perfect when you're doing a lot of matting, and you know, it's just really easy to add more embellishment to your album when you have color coordinating papers, and you just use your punches to enhance it. Like so. But it's very colorful. I love all the colors. It brings out all the, you know, everything in the kids' natural, playful colors. I love it. Okay, and that's the second one, and that's the back. So you can make it as, like I said, simple or more intricate if you want. You can add more embellishment. But me, I just love to add little embellishment and let the pages and pictures speak for itself. So here again, so here I use more of the tags with some pom-pom trims on here as well, so you could see. And then again here for tuck-ins. But yeah, this is just one kit that you could use and make 4 albums from it if you have coordinating cardstock colors or whatever. If you feel like you have some papers that matches your paper, you can do more. You know, you can make more cards as well. But you know, you just want to use it up so it doesn't just stay in your stash like moi. So that's why I'm on the mission to create as much and to try to use all my stash. So it's like that. So it's just really a great way to get all the pictures out, you know, while everybody's staying at home, and then that way you can get it done. Make as many, and then as you know, you can make like birthday themes. So for each year, you can have it ready. And yeah, I think this is just a perfect way to create these mini albums. These are a lot of my stash that I wanted to use and create as much as I can during this pandemic. And I hope you guys do like it and give it a thumbs up. And thanks for watching. Bye.